Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find or access Google Docs Trash. To find or access Google Docs Trash, you need to first open any web browser available on your device. I'm going on with Google Chrome. Now if you are using any other web browser rather than Google Chrome, then you can go to your search bar and type in docs.google.com, then press on enter. Or if you are using Google Chrome, then you'll be able to find 9 dots on the top right corner. Click on the 9 dots, then scroll down and then click on Docs option. With this, you'll be able to open your Google Docs. Now here, you need to make sure that you are logged into your Google account. After this, here you'll be able to find all your recent documents. Now, to be able to find or access to Google Docs Trash, you need to open your Google Drive. As Google Drive and Google Docs are both connected with your Google account, you'll be able to find your Google Docs Trash on your Google Drive. So you can click on 3 lines present on the top left corner. Then here you'll be able to find Drive option present on the left side. You can click on Drive option. With this, you'll be able to directly go to your Google Drive. Now here you'll be able to find all the files and folders present on your Google Drive. On the left side, you'll be able to find Bin option. Click on Bin option. Then you'll be able to find all the items and folders that you have deleted. Now here you need to look for the specific Google Docs that you have deleted. Then here you'll be able to find 3 dots on the side of the Google Docs that you have deleted. Now you can click on the 3 dots present on the side. Then here you can see 2 options. Now if you want to restore, you can click on restore option. Now if you want to permanently delete it, then you can click on delete forever option. This is how we can find or access Google Docs Trash. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.